Bagnaia now is just streaking away before the sprint, 1.3 seconds his advantage, but of course this is Pecco Bagnaia. You can never take anything for granted. He's been here so many times in his career, Lewis, and he has blown it, so we're not going to sort of be counting our chickens just yet for the right jam.
Oh, well, Pecco Bagnaia, well, we think he should have already won two TISO sprints this season. He was leading in Portimao when he went off the road into turn one with 4 laps of that to go, and of course it was less than half a lap to go in Barcelona when he made that crucial mistake. Across the line, Marc Marquez did a 1:46 flat. He only lost a couple of tenths to Bagnaia. He pulled back the time he lost halfway around that lap and closed back in again when the lap completed, but he's not getting any closer to Bagnaia with 5 laps of this sprint to go, and Frank Rinder is getting no closer to the front of this sprint either. Morbidelli is now past him, and there are a queue of riders looking to pile on further points. After a brilliant start for Binder, he's heading backwards.
Yeah, the field are getting no change out of Bagnaia whatsoever now. He's an exclusive club of one in the 145. It's just a pace that nobody else can rival. Just over the other halfway stage. This is on board the Oliveira Quartararo instance. On the inside of Scarperia goes Oliveira. They rub there, don't they? Oliveira was going to wash the front out and just on the outside. Nothing to do. Wrong place, wrong time. As they go body surfing there, Oliveira and Quartararo. Of course, they've got history. They tangled early on in the Spanish Grand Prix last year. Let's hope both of them are going to be okay, because that was a nasty one, wasn't it? So, no sanctions. Stewards happy that was a racing incident, as well as Bagnaia just continues to streak away here in the sprint. Although Marquez has responded a little bit on this lap down to, stabilised really 1.2 seconds. I think Marquez is running out of time here.
I think the question potentially asked in these final 4.5 laps of the sprint is, can Pedro Acosta catch Jorge Martins? On the last lap, Acosta did a 1:46.1. He was 3 tenths quicker than the World Championship leader, so Pedro Acosta might not be out of the woods for a potential sprint podium yet. The gap is holding steady at around 6 tenths of a second, 3/4 of the way through this lap. Martin can't rest too easily, otherwise the rookie